Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video because a lot of you are starting to fall behind in your work. And I wanted to make sure that you understand where to locate all of this stuff, okay? So really quickly, I'm on Google Classroom, on the Google Classroom stream, if you see that. And so those of you who are just checking in for the first time, or you've just checked in sometime this week for the first time, right here on March 25th, that is when I posted these journals. So if you're in Progress Book and you have no journal grades, this is those journals. So when you open them up, um, they look like this, right? And you're supposed to journal on every slide, okay? So that's slide 1, 2, etc. Those of you who have been keeping up, your last journal is this one. It's slide 11, but it's actually your 10th journal. And this is the last journal that you're going to do, and this is the one that you're doing tomorrow. So you do not have to do any journals after this slide. Okay, it says history in the making. Give me some detail. I have observed what? Give me more than a sentence. How do you feel about everything that you've observed or everything that's going on? Okay, so keep that in mind that these are your journals. And if you have not done any over the next couple of days, just go back and do these. And then shoot me an email that says, hey, Miss Frey, did my journals. Okay. I know some of you have emailed me, and today I was in small group Zoom sessions, video chat sessions all day, so I did not update grades. Grades will be updated tomorrow morning, just so you know. So if you're waiting for your progress book grades to get updated, they'll be updated tomorrow morning, I promise. Okay, so that's the journal. Um, Other things that you may not be aware of. If you are missing your flip, or not your flip grid, sorry, your common lit assignment on March 30th. This is your first common, no, that's wrong. Sorry. Right here on March 22nd. That was your first common lit assignment. So if you never did that one, you just click on it, sign in with Google, and it'll alert me that you have completed your assignment. But you can also shoot me an email and say, hey, I went back and did that first common lit assignment. So that's the help giving assignment. Okay, then on March 30th was your second common lit assignment, and this is the one about Facebook friends. So if you haven't done that one yet, go back, do this assignment, sign in with Google, complete the assignment, make sure you do the short answer questions and the multiple choice questions. Shoot me an email that says that you finished it. And then this assignment right here was the compare and contrast assignment. Okay. And so if you look at it, you just read the question and then on a document, you answer that question. Okay, so if you did not do that yet, go back, complete that assignment, shoot me an email that says, hey, Miss Fry, I completed this assignment. Now, if you're somebody who is making up a lot of work and you're saying, hey, I completed this, I completed this, I completed this, just know that I understand. I got your email and I will get your grade updated as soon as I can. Okay. Um, so those are the things that are in the grade book right now, all of your journals and then those common lit assignments. And then on Monday, I sent this packet, okay, and I told you read the packet, answer the questions. So this is what the packet looks like. Don't just skip to the purple sections. Read everything. I can't be there to teach you things. I can do videos like this and teach you what I think that you need to know. But a lot of this is review. Okay, so just read through this to get the idea of what we're talking about. And anywhere where you see purple, make sure that you fill in answers to that. Okay, and if you look on Google Classroom, this is due on Thursday. Okay, next week we will spend time actually writing our own personal narratives. All right, so tomorrow, which is probably today for you. So if today is Wednesday, um, your last journal, journal number 10, which is slide 11 is due, and that's it. Okay, and then on Thursday, you need to make sure that you have that packet turned in to me before the end of the day on Thursday, before midnight. And also, on starting on Thursday, instead of having journal check-ins, you are going to have a DOL check-in. So every day you'll be sent a Google form, and that Google form is going to be your attendance for the day. It's also a grade. So it's just going to be grammar review questions. There'll be a couple questions. You fill out the questions. You get your points. You get your attendance check for the day. Okay, those of you who are just checking in, it's probably because Mr. Prohaska has called or somebody's called to see why you're not doing work. So make sure you check into my classroom every single day. Okay. Um, get that packet done by Thursday, and then next week we'll spend some time writing. And I'm also going to set up some small group Zoom sessions. If you haven't done a Zoom session, it's a small group where we can get together and we can have a group discussion and you can kind of see and talk to other people in your classroom. Okay, so we'll do that next week. If you have any questions, email me. This video is going long. I know most of you have probably tuned me out. So email me if you have questions. I'm updating your grades in the morning. Um, yeah, and have a good Easter. If you need me, shoot me an email. Okay? Thanks.